Hey everyone, I am Chanvi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are what we're going to do. Today we are going to do the exercise, or we can say the important questions for the chapter, that is road not taken. And in this we have mostly completed these questions, and now we are going to do move forward. So let us start. So first question is, then took the other as just as far, and having perhaps the better clean, because it was the grassy and wanted wear through, as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So the question says, what does other refer in the above line? What did the other refers in the above line? Others refers to the road that was grassy and less more traveled upon. What they want to say? They want to say that other, they have referred it because they have tell about the other road by which the poet has travelled. What literary device has been used in the above line? The literary device used above is a metaphor. The narrator compares life to a road. Okay. Next, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no stuff has trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how well let's on the way. I doubted if I should ever come back. The question is, what does both refer to? Both refers to the two roads that forked out in a different direction, okay, which are getting bent out in the different direction. Explain. In leaves no step has trodden black. I am saying this question mostly asked. The narrator means that the path was not frequented. No one has walked that way and tramped upon the dry leaves that lay on the ground. They want to say that the narrator means they want to say that the paths are being frequent because no one was stable from that path, and some people who are travel by that from, and the leaves are lie and dot on the floor. What made the narrator doubt that he should never come back? He knew that one path would lead to another, and he would never return to the path he had not taken and left for another day. Okay, I hope you get it. Next question. Shall be telling this with us rich. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Okay. What will the narrator tell with a sitch? What? He would tell about the fog that he had come to in the world, and how he has taken the road less frequently by peoples. Do you think the narrator regrets his choice later on? No, he did not regret his choice. The sight could be satisfied happy sight that the hat came two times. The hat came two times over here, isn't it? So let us cut one hat. He had the fraught sights to be different from the rest of the crowds. Yes, the narrator regrets his decision, as he saw he will talk to his choice with a sight as high sights could be, a sight deep, rugged as having made the wrong choice. Okay, got that? So this much the question from this chapter I will give you. This is the reference from the question of from 4. We are having 4 para in this poem, and both 4 para we have completed. Okay, we have completed the reference question from that. So I hope this will helpful for you. So thank you and have a nice day. Must subscribe to my YouTube channel too.